Dear friends, today's topic is how to search Google in a different way. Normally, we used to search in the Google by just typing the wordings using keyboard. Now, you can able to write on the screen. In this video, I will explain you how to write on the touchscreen of your mobile and then use that to search in Google. Right? So it's quite very easy. Just go to Google. Okay. Just go to Google. Then just type google.com. Just type google.com. Okay. So once you type google.com, then just go to left side, 3 lines, top left, 3 lines, burger like a structure icon. Just click onto that. Now click settings. Now just scroll it down in the search setting. Click handwrite, click enable. Normally default mode is disabled. Right now handwrite you have to click enable. Then come down, then click save. Now Google says that your preferences have been saved. Click OK. Okay, right. Now you can use this screenwriting technique in order to search in Google. Right. So let us see. So I'm just typing it. Not typing it. I'm just writing on the screen. Right, in order to search in Google. See here. I want to search supermarket. So once you do this, see, come back to the bottom right side, this G. Click that G. After doing this, click on to the supermarket. Now click on to this search icon which is at the bottom right side. Click it. Now you can scroll. Right, and see whatever you want. You can just go and see it. For example, if you want to go to Wikipedia, just click it, see it. Okay. Right, then again if you want to search for another, just click on to this Google, this G at the bottom right side. Then keep your cursor on this. Then you can use backspace which is at the bottom right side, left side of G. Just delete it. Just press it so that it gets deleted. Now I will be using the screenwriting technique to search again in Google. Now I am searching for space technology. Space technology. Okay. Now what you have to do is, again you have to go to G and click once. Then come back to space technology, keep your cursor. Then click search. And the steps which I have said above, if you don't do it, it will not work out. Okay. So follow the procedure what I said. Okay. Now you can able to search. Let us do one more search. In order to do that, click on to this G which is available at the bottom right side. Then go to the cursor. Then use backspace to delete it. Okay, once you do it, then suppose you want to say about search about our Mars. So MARS, okay, Mars. Okay, now click G. Okay, click on to Mars. Click this search icon. Okay, so now Mars has been searched in Google. You can just click on to any of this link. Okay, so again Earth. Okay, search. So excellent. Okay, this is the process how to write on the screen and then use that writings of our own hand in order to search in Google. Right? Our handwriting will be detected by the mobile device, touchscreen device, and it will be accepted by the Google search. Okay, this is the process how to use Google search using screen writing technique. Okay, thank you friends. And suppose if you want to delete it, you don't want it, in case you want to come back to original position, again click on to this icon, go to settings, move down. Instead of handwrite enabled, default setting I am just saving it. Click OK. Now if you come to Google, that option it's not possible. Okay, which I said, that option you cannot write on the screen. You cannot write on the screen. Instead, what you can do is you can use the normal keyboard. See here. So now you can use keyboard. So again, if you want to go back, go to settings, handwrite enable, click save, click OK. Now you can search here. Okay. But in order to search, you have to click this G and ensure that it is visible at the bottom. This space, this back button and G. So then you can do it. See here. And this is applicable for almost all touch screen Android devices. Okay. So thank you friends. Thank you so much for watching. Please try it on your mobile, and it is also you have to note that it is applicable for Android and touch screen mobiles of any kind. Okay. Thank you so much.